This is Sharif for Just Nailed It. Today I am doing a little nail care routine. I've never done this video before, so bear with me as I do this on film. I'm not used to doing that on film. So I made some notes. I got those sitting off to the side, and I just don't want to, forget anything. So first, you would remove your polish, which I already have done. You might want to wash your hands at that point, and use the brush. Scrub them. Scrub those nails. Some like to, after that, to put the cuticle softener on there. Some like to put a cuticle remover on there. That is up to the individual. I don't do either. If you just wash your hands and you got some warm water going, you got the brush going and the soap and the suds, that should soften them a little bit. So that when you are pushing your cuticles back, you ain't got a problem. So that's the next step. I'm going to move these off to the side, is to pick your culprit that you want to use to push your cuticles back. I am going to use this tool right here. This is also a pincher. There's your cuticle tool here and your scraper. You can use an orange wood stick. Here is your typical pusher. This has got your scraper here at this end, your pusher at this end. You got your rubber one. I don't remember where this came from. I've never used it, but I got it. This is your total rubbery silicone pusher with your little bit of crushed diamonds in the middle. I'm sure I got this off of AliExpress or Wish. Whoops. One of the two. But yeah. Pick which one you want to use. And I'm only going to do one nail here. Push your cuticles back. It's been a while since I've done mine. Scrape your sidewalls even. Get that dead skin going on. Turn your other end over, or whichever you want to use. Start scraping that dead skin away. At that point, when you're done, get your brush. Brushy, brushy, brushy. There you go. Your nail is done. So yeah, that's all you do. Push your cuticles back. Switch it over. Scrape your dead skin away. Get your brush. Brush it off. No big deal. Next, you want to pick your file. There is a wide variety of files. I love this one here. You can get this at Sally's. It is medium. It says in here 220 to 320. It doesn't matter on here which side you use. It's not super coarse like this file here. It says this is, at one time it said it was a 180, 100 grit. This side I've never used. This side I love. Love, love, love. Don't really use. Next you have your Bonafide Beauty Genuine Check Glass file. This is one of a few that I own. Love, love, love this. Love a glass nail file. A really good one. You can get ones out there. I've got a set before that I reviewed where it was 20 of them for, I forgot how much it was. Somewhere between the price of $8 and $15 off of Amazon. But I like one of these. You can go back and forth with it, but you want to use it lightly. If you use this with the heavy hand, you're going to have no nail left. light strokes. Whoops. Sorry if I'm not in frame. File your nail to the shape that you want. Do this again so I'm in frame and you see me. I'm a squared off kind of girl. I wipe this off. You can disinfect them. I'm the only one that uses this file. If I do other people's nails, I use a different file that, you know, I keep just for clients. So yeah, file your nails, get them into the shape you want. Oh, also, you're gonna use this one here. Buff the shine off your nail. Your nail, or on your nail. So that there's no shine left. I got a piece of nail here that looks like it wants to peel. So I have a little tear in my nail, like right there, way up in the meat. So you can use this to file your nails. Whoops. Not too sure how far I was off frame. Really sorry about that. Seem to be doing that a lot in this video. But I've got a tear right up in here in my nail. Just a slight tear. Not really enough to get staged on anything just yet. Sorry, I'm thirsty. So after you buff the shine off your nail, you may want to take this brush again, take anything away, file the shape of your nails how you want them. At this point you can apply some cuticle oil. I have really dry nails, really dry skin. I use straight up coconut oil. I just rub my finger up in there, get it. I put a lot on. And I like to rub it in. Take it over your nails. I like to put a lot on, let it soak in, massage it in. So you do all that. Do both hands. I do this, oh gosh, probably at least once a day because I'm so dry and I just let it soak in. Sometimes if I'm super dry in the winter, I'll apply it twice. Let it soak in, apply a little bit more, rub it in some more. After I let it soak in probably 20 minutes, then I apply some lotion. Hand cream, whichever you want to call it, depending on what time of the year it is. So then sorry about that. For some reason I did not think the camera was moving. Oh boy. Can't really tell. Anyways, so apply your lotion. Hope it's moving. Sorry about that for flipping everybody out. Apply your lotion, hand cream, depending on what time of the year it is. Let this soak in. Mine soaks in pretty well, pretty fast. If not, take it, rub it on your nail beds real good. Your side walls, all around your nails. This is really, really good for your nails. Straight up coconut oil. You can get a lot of different cuticle oils. You can get them in the pens, which I do love too. But I do like this even better. Currently, right now, this is the lotion. Whoops. Lotion that I'm using from Walmart. It's just their brand. Yeah, Walmart brands. It's no big deal. Moisture Advanced Care. So I got dry skin. Or I also do love this. This is from the Dollar Tree. Coconut Oil Moisturizing Cream. It is pretty thin. Well, not pretty thin. Well, I guess it ain't too thin after all. You can use this. Put this on your hands. Massage it in real well. Get over your nails. Rub it in, rub it in. You know how to put lotion on, folks. So, in the winter time, I like to use a thicker lotion or hand cream. Love, love, love. This is my favorite, the Burt's Bees. This is honey and shea butter. This was donated to me. I totally love this. I wish there was smell-o-vision so you could smell it. Because it's just divine. It's just the best one. I wish I'd have put this on instead. Or I like to use this from Avon Skin So Soft, the Winter Soft Nourishing Body Cream. Winter Soft. Love, love, love this too as well. So yeah, this brings this to the conclusion. This is it. This is where the manicure nail care routine ends, is with the hand cream and lotion. Your nail care routine will be complete. At that point, you can put on hardener if you want. You can put on a regular base coat, or if you're a gel kind of gal, go ahead and start your polish. You're doing that, but this is just your basic nail care routine that's before polish. I myself put on a hardener right here from Sinful. Love, love, love this one. I need to find a new one. And then I apply my base coat, which lately I'm using the big prime base coat from Sally's. For the hardener, I put on 2 coats. Probably shouldn't be cracking my nails either, or my knuckles either, right? So yeah, that's what I do. Take care of my nails and my fingers. So yeah, hope you like this. Hope you may have learned something from this, or you can take something away from it. But if you have any comments, questions, please leave them down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now and ring that bell. That way you get notified. Pick all. There's 3 options now. Please pick all so you're notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday is the original She Modern Saturday series that I do, where I use all and only She Modern products. I do want to mention I'm still having an international giveaway. It goes on until August 1st, where you could win a $20 US PayPal prize. It's a little tongue twister for me. PayPal prize. Look for that video. Check it out. Enter. So anyways, this comes to a conclusion. Thank you for watching and being here with me. Have a blessed day.